Think your sunny windows are too harsh for houseplants? Think again. What if I told you there are plants that don't just survive in blazing sunlight? They crave it, demand it, and actually grow faster, bloom bigger, and live longer because of it. Some of these plants might even shock you. And they could be the secret of transforming your brightest rooms into lush, thriving jungles. Stay tuned, because chances are you've been underestimating the power of your sunlight all along. Aloe Vera is a go-to sun lover with healing powers. Its thick, spiky leaves store water and thrive in full sun, perfect for windowsills and first aid kits alike. Jade plant loves a sunny spot. These fleshy-leaved succulents need at least 4 hours of sunlight a day and can live for decades with minimal fuss. Sago palm is slow-growing but packs a visual punch. Though it loves filtered sunlight, keep it away from pets. It's highly toxic. African milk tree isn't a cactus, but with its tall, spiny form, it sure looks like one. This dramatic plant loves bright light and consistent watering. Snake plant can survive just about anywhere, but it thrives full sun. Plus, it purifies your air and barely needs water. Croton flaunts bold, colorful leaves that need bright light to stay vivid. Keep it warm and humid for the best color show. Ponytail palm stores water in its bulbous base and thrives in full sun. It's as low maintenance as it is eye-catching. Hibiscus boasts large tropical blooms indoors if it gets strong light and regular moisture. Pinch back the stems to keep it compact. Areca palm adds tropical vibes to any bright corner. Just make sure the soil stays evenly moist and humidity levels don't drop too low. Jasmine rewards bright spots with heavenly scented white flowers. Give it humidity and light, just not harsh sun all day. String of pearls spills gracefully from hanging pots. These bead-like succulents love indirect light and only occasional watering. Basil isn't just for cooking. It loves a sunny windowsill. Keep pinching off flowers to encourage leafy growth. Gardenia offers glossy leaves and fragrant blooms. Bright light and consistent moisture are key to keeping this beauty happy. China doll plant loves bright light and regular pruning. It grows into a neat little tree indoors and doesn't tolerate dark corners. Tea plant brings tropical colors in pinks, reds, and purples. It prefers indirect light and consistent moisture with good humidity. Golden barrel cactus thrives in full sun and barely needs water. This spiky stunner adds structure and survives with once-a-month watering. Moon cactus has a colorful top-grafted-on cactus rootstock. Give it a few hours of sun a day to keep the colors bright. Burro's tail cascades over pots with trailing blue-green stems. It loves bright light and needs water just once a month. Coral cactus is a funky euphorbia with wavy coral-like growth. Keep it in a sunny spot and avoid overwatering. Dragon tree prefers very bright light but tolerates some direct sun. Let it dry slightly between waterings and it'll slowly grow tall. Fiddle Leaf Fig has bold leaves and a big presence. Give it bright light, dust the leaves, and keep the soil consistently moist. Echeveria is the ultimate sun-loving succulent. With their rosette shapes and wide color range, these thrive on as much sun as you can offer. Hens and chicks form clusters of rosettes that love full sun. Easy to propagate, they're perfect for sunny, succulent arrangements. Tree Aeonium stands taller than most succulents. It grows slowly but loves the sun and pairs well with lower-growing companions. Zebra haworthia is a small striped succulent that enjoys morning sun and bright light. Let the soil dry out between waterings. Yucca plant is nearly indestructible. Sword-like leaves and slow growth make it a reliable sun-loving indoor tree. Meyer Lemon Tree needs 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. It rewards you with glossy foliage, fragrant flowers, and eventually, lemons. Norfolk Island pine looks like a mini Christmas tree. It enjoys full or bright indirect light and prefers evenly moist soil. Bird of Paradise brings big tropical energy. With the right light and care, it'll bloom into dramatic orange and blue flowers. Papyrus brings an exotic architectural look. It needs constant moisture and full sun, ideal for bathrooms or a sunny kitchen. That's your list of the best indoor plants for bright, sunny homes. Got a favorite from the list or growing one already? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Plant Smart tips.